If you opt for hair removal and need tips to be beach ready this summer, then keep watching. No matter which method of hair removal you choose, always remember to prep and exfoliate your skin before. Reach out for our favorite body scrub from Caffeine. Made with pure Arabica coffee and its anti-aging and exfoliating properties, this scrub revitalizes and awakens your skin, removing away all the dirt, buildup and dead skin. For sensitive areas like your bikini line, you can simply use a warm, damp towel and hold it over the area for about 10 to 15 seconds to open up your pores and soften the hair. From shaving to waxing and epilating, you can choose from a wide range of hair removal options. You can try epilating. It works for any part of the body, but it can be painful if you're not used to it. It removes the hair from the roots and regrowth takes anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks depending on the person. If you choose to wax, try sugaring, a DIY all-natural alternative. Make your own sugar paste by taking 2 cups of white sugar, mixing it with a 1/4 cup of lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of water. Heat while stirring the mixture until it starts to bubble. Stop the heat when it changes color to a goldenish brown. Let the mixture cool until warm so that it doesn't burn you. Press the ball of wax into your skin and stretch it in the direction of your hair growth. Then, hold your skin taut and pull in the opposite direction to remove the hair from its roots. Shaving is the most pain-free and accessible method of hair removal. Remember to use a fresh and sharp blade to ensure the cleanest finish. Always use a shaving gel while shaving to avoid irritating the skin. You can also opt for an all-natural option. You can try this oats-enriched homemade hair removal mask. This DIY offers great results over consistent use. Take 7 tablespoons of oats in a blender and grind until they resemble fine breadcrumbs. Add the juice of 1 lemon or half a lemon if you have sensitive skin and mix it all together with 3 tablespoons of honey. Apply an even layer of the mix on the area with unwanted hair. Let it sit for about 5 to 6 minutes before scrubbing off in the opposite direction of your hair growth. You can do this twice a week for best results over time. Post any kind of hair removal, your skin is likely to be sensitive. To cool the area, you can always freeze some aloe vera and rub it over the area anytime. The key to soft, smooth skin this summer is to moisturize. Pick a lightweight but deeply effective moisturizer like our very own Fuzz-Off. Safe to use all over as it's made with calendula, peppermint and moisturizing avocado oil. To keep those pesky body pimples and acne at bay, caused due to heat, humidity and even hair removal, you can use the DermDoc 2% Salicylic acid spray about 2 to 3 times a week for bump-free skin. We hope you're ready to rock the beach and sundresses this summer with these tips and tricks. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.